Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Delaney. Today, we have a really cool science experiment. Today, we are going to make colors dance. Doesn't that sound exciting? So I've got all my materials here. I'm going to show you what I have. I will list this in the link below. And let's get started. I'm going to pull my screen down so you can see my tabletop space. So here's my tabletop space. I have a tall container that's plastic. It's got to be clear so you can see the colors dance. I have some baking soda. I have some vegetable oil. I have some vinegar, and that's a lot of vinegar. So I've actually poured my vinegar in this cup right here. And I have some food coloring. So let's get started making colors dance. I'm going to take my container, and I'm going to take a spoon, and I'm going to dish some baking soda into the bottom of my container. All right, about 2 teaspoons full into the bottom of my container. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some oil on top of that. I'm going to try not to shake my container very much because I don't want to mix the baking soda with the oil. So I'm going to pour some oil in here. You can see it's just going to land right on top. Now that's probably about a cup of oil, moms and dads. I just poured it from my container, but that's probably about a cup of oil. Okay, I've got a few bubbles going on in there. I'm going to let those settle a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop some food coloring into the oil. And these make kind of cool dots when you drop them in there. So I'm just going to drop a little bit of blue. And they're going to sink down to the bottom. And they might open up a little bit, but maybe not. And I'm going to put a little yellow in here too. When you drop the yellow, it looks like orange. And I'm going to move this a little closer so that you can see, being very gentle. All right, here's the dots. Do you see those in the bottom there? Okay, now I'm going to bring this back over here. Now, when you combine vinegar and oil and baking soda, it makes bubbles. So when we get the vinegar and we pour it and it sinks to the bottom because it's heavy, it's going to go right past the oil, and then you're going to watch those colors, those dots, dance. They might break up a little bit, but let's pour it and take a look and see what we can do here. Here we go. Watch closely. And notice what happened too. My colors. All right, we're going to let it bubble just a little bit, and then in just a second, you'll be able to see the colors start to dance. They're starting on this side. I've mixed the blue with the yellow a little bit. Now I'm going to put it right up close to the camera. Do you see all those colors dancing in there? I made green. Look at that, because blue and yellow make green. They're kind of starting to, there, that's a good picture of it. And the colors are starting to dance. Do you see the dancing colors, everyone? So we made dancing colors. What colors do you think you'll use for your dancing colors? Are you going to mix colors or just use one? I can't wait to hear all about it. Have fun with dancing colors, boys and girls. See you soon.